Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step tutorial of this eye look. I'm going to show you how to transform from this to this in very simple, easy steps. So if you want to learn how to create this eye look for any occasions, you can wear this to party, functions, anywhere you want to. Then please keep on watching, and before we start the video, please make sure that you're subscribed to get new videos every Saturdays and Thursdays, and there's also another video on Sundays. So make sure that you check out my channel and subscribe before you leave. Yeah, let's begin. Today I'm going to start off with a brow pomade. This is from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to take it in an angular brush, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, but I'm not going to overfill them, but I'm going to fill them gently as the hairs. Then I'll take the spoolie which is back of this brush, and I'm going to comb all of the products so that we can distribute the product equally. Now I'm going to take a concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is one of my favorite concealers ever because this is full coverage and this covers all the discoloration on my eyelids pretty well. So I'm going to take that, and with the help of a brush I'm going to distribute the product. With this I'm going to prime my eyelid, and now I'm going to take a powder to set my concealer. This process also helps in blending the eyeshadow perfectly. Now I'm going to take a sellotape. You can use any sellotape you have. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm using the Patrica Brights X Makeup Revolution palette, and with the help of a small pencil brush as shown in the video, I will be taking that brown shade, deeper brown shade, and I'm going to place it in my outer V area. With this tip you can take little by little and build up the color and intensity. Now I have taken a blending brush. This is kind of a tapered blending brush, and with the help of that I'm going to take a very light brown shade, which is going to be my transition shade for today, and I'm going to blend above that brown color that we have placed. Make sure that you have maximum intensity on the outer V, and on the inner part you are going to swipe your brush across. Now from the palette I'm going to take a pink color shade. This is a glittery shade which is very pretty. Since we are doing a very simple eye look, a very variable kind of a makeup look, we are going to take this pink. This is very soft in nature and looks very pretty. I'm going to place it on the middle of my eyelids. Now I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to mix both the colors together. Now I've taken the white color and I'm going to place it after that pink color, and now I'm going to re-intensify my outer V. Also guys, I have so many makeup looks on my channel. If you want, you can check them out. That will be so much great. And now I'm going to take an eyeliner and I'm going to follow the line where we have put our sellotape. This way you can draw your eyeliner really precise. You don't have to worry about lines getting messy, or if you have shaky hands like mine, you can easily take care of that. Now I'm going to do my inner corner. Doing inner corners just brings so much of difference in our eyes. I just love doing my inner corners. Then I'm going to take the same pencil brush with the same deeper brown shade, and I'm going to place it in my lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it. Now I've taken the lighter brown shade and I'm going to blend below that line. Now I've taken a kohl pencil. This is by L'Oreal, by far one of the most creamiest formulas that I have came across. What's your favorite kohl pencil? You can comment down below. And now I'm going to take a highlighter and I'm going to place it in my brow bones and inner corners. And now it's time for mascara. For mascara I've taken the L'Oreal Million Lashes mascara. This is such a nice mascara. If you want, you can leave it at this, but for me, I personally go for a false lashes, because false lashes bring so much of glam into our eyes. For false lashes, I have taken lashes from one of my favorite company, that is the Hilary Rhoda, and I will be soon uploading some of my favorite lashes that I have bought, and they will be under 100 rupees, so stay tuned for that. And if you want to learn how to apply false lashes, then also stay tuned for that. And if you have any request on what kind of looks you want me to create, what you can also comment down below. So this is my final look, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time here. This is Jyoti signing off, and yeah, bye.